All right, next is a 1994. Measurements about 6¼ tall by 5 wide. In very good condition. It's a little bit of wear. This one's been opened and closed a few times, but nothing significant. Sportsters. Super Glide, Lowrider Custom. There's a little check mark right there. Lowrider and Wide Glide and the Dyna class. There's another check mark right there. Really pretty bike here. I really like this one. Heritage Softail Special. That's pretty. Lowrider Convertible. Softail Custom. Little check mark. Springer Softail and Fat Boy. Also a little check mark. Electroglide Road King. So this must be the first year of the Road King, because it was previously called an Electroglide Sport, which I did not know. And I have a Road King myself. I have a 2000 Road King, and I had just noticed that in the previous booklets there was no Road King. So that means the Electroglide Sport, this guy here, became the Road King, because they're basically the same bike. Hard bags, windshield, a stripped down Electroglide basically. So that's interesting info for you. I did not know that until just now, actually. Softail Classic, little check mark right there. Electroglide Classic, Ultra Classic Electroglide, and Ultra Classic Tour Glide. And then there's a little bit of handwriting here, along through here, because they didn't put pricing in these books until a few years later. So the salesman basically had to jot down pricing for his own reference. A little pricing going through up here. Little handwriting on the back. These came from Monty's Cycle Shop in West Bridgewater, Massachusetts. If you're familiar with that shop, that's where these all came from. And this one has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, and 19, including the back. 1994. All right, look for the link to how to purchase this guy, and you'll see a box on how to click on to see the other brochures we have already uploaded to YouTube. And there you go. Next one will be the 1996, which means, I guess, we should have 95. I'll find the 95. We'll put that one up next. So be right back.